Hey everyone, hope all is well. Welcome to today's video. It's been a while since I recorded the last video for the channel, and that's totally because of the busy business school applications season. But whenever I get time, I love to share my thoughts. You mentor people who come from very diverse backgrounds. You get some insights. You understand some patterns on how to write a good essay um, and what are the mistakes to avoid while writing essays across B schools in India abroad. And I like to share those mistakes or those patterns with you so that you can keep those in mind while writing your business school essays. Today's video will be a mix of Hindi English because when I want to express my strong personal views, I tend to oscillate between Hindi and English. Uh, so please pardon me for that. सो आज का वीडियो यार आई वांटेड टू रिकॉर्ड बिकॉज I just wanted to talk about personal essays specifically. When I say personal essays, there are some essays in a business school application which want you to talk about your professional work and your professional goals. While there are some essays which want you to talk about where are you coming from in terms of geographical background, upbringing, parents, hobbies, interest, college days. So those are personal essays. अब होता क्या है दैट you mentor people and not everybody aligns with your way of thinking ideology. Uh, and my recommendations to my mentees are suggestive in nature. I brainstorm with them on what they can write after understanding their life story in each and every paragraph of an essay. And then when they get back to me with their raw content, I write it in my own words. We edit it together, all of that happens. Uh, I love writing essays for my mentees, so I love that. But कभी कभी someone does not agree with your point of opinion. So, basis a certain disagreement that I had with one of the mentees recently, I wanted to share my thoughts through this video, which is if you are somebody who's an ISB aspirant, Indian School of Business MBA, there is an essay prompt that ISB has been giving in its applications over the last 2 years, which is broadly worded like uh, you have to contemplate situations or experiences or talk about people who have influenced your personal journey till now, personal journey, and then talk about how these situations have shaped your strengths and weaknesses. Another example of a personal essay, we also mentor people for SP Gen, PGPM for working professionals. उसके अंदर एक ऐसे टॉपिक होता है which is talk about who you are as a person, your values, your traits, where you're coming from. Another example of a personal essay can be we mentor people for HEC Paris MBA applications. वहाँ पे the third essay topic is talk to us about a life which is totally different than what you're leading right now. So these are examples of personal essays where you have to introspect who you are as a person, where you are coming from, and then write. But kabhi kabhi, it's good to attend webinars by B schools and talk to alums. बट कभी कभी लोग इतनी ज़्यादा बात कर लेते हैं आलम से, इतने सारे सेशंस अटेंड कर लेते हैं, जी मैट क्लब पे चैट्स देख लेते हैं, दैट लोगों का ब्रेन वॉश हो जाता है. पीपल गेट फिक्सेटेड कि यार आई डोंट केयर इफ दिस इज़ अ पर्सनल ऐसे और नॉट. मेरे को हर ऐसे में ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वॉट वैल्यू विड आई ऐड टू द कोहर्ट. बट दैट्स रॉन्ग. आप खुद सोच के देखो, अगर एक ऐसे आपको बोल रहा है कि टू कॉन्टम्पलेट सिचुएशंस दैट हैव शेप्ड योर पर्सनल जर्नी टिल नाउ, तो उसके अंदर हाउ डज इट मेक सेंस टू टॉक अबाउट कि सार्थक एज अ कैंडिडेट आईएसबी कोहर्ट में क्या वैल्यू ऐड करेगा. बोथ आर नॉट अलाइंड एट ऑल, right? Instead, in these personal essays, the three examples which I gave to you, you should talk about where you are coming from, how your mom and dad have shaped you as an individual, be it you picking badminton as a hobby or volunteering as a pastime. You can also talk about the financial, medical struggles that the family has faced together, and a lot of my mentees do that. It's totally fine to be authentic and vulnerable, nobody is judging you. बट मेरे को थोड़ा अजीब तब लगता है व्हेन पीपल से कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरे को अडेप्टेबिलिटी, लीडरशिप ऐसे वर्ड्स दिखाने, एंड मेरे को ये दिखाना है कहीं ना कहीं, आई डोंट केयर व्हाट द ऐसे टॉपिक इज, मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं ये दिखाना है कि मैं बी स्कूल के लिए क्या वैल्यू ऐड करूँगा या करूँगी. तो see, every B school has some space where you can talk about these things. The second and the third essay for ISB essay prompts are professional in nature, तो वहाँ पे आपको ये सब ऐड करना चाहिए. And whenever I am reviewing applications, whenever people reach out to me that I applied for this school last year, can you review my essays, तो उसमें भी बहुत बारी ये गैप निकलता है कि एक पर्सनल स्टोरी ऐसे में आपने प्रोफेशनल चीज़ें लिख दी, एक प्रोफेशनल ऐसे में आपने लिख दिया कि मेरे को बचपन में क्रिकेट खेलना पसंद था, तो मिसमैच हो जाता है पूरा कंटेंट. तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट यही है कि डोंट ट्राई टू फोर्स फिट फ्रेजेस वर्ड्स आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू एन इन्फो सेशन बाय बी स्कूल और आफ्टर टॉकिंग टू एन एलम. हर एक की स्टोरी बहुत यूनिक है यार. अगर उनके लिए कोई चीज़ चली उनके एसेज में, ज़रूरी नहीं है वो आपके लिए भी चले. आपका ड्यूटी, आपका फ़र्ज़ है कि मेरे एप्लीकेशन में, मेरे कैंडिडेचर में जो भी यूनिक चीज़ें हैं, चाहे वो चेस खेलना हो, चाहे वो कहीं ब्लॉग लिखना हो, चाहे वो मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स हो, मैं उस यूनिक चीज़ को अच्छे से फ्लैश आउट करके एंड मेंशनिंग द वाई बिहाइंड वाई आई टुक इट अप, उस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए अपना ऐसे लिखूं. एंड अगर एक ऐसे बोल रहा है कि पर्सनल एस्पेक्ट्स को एम्फसाइज करिए, तो उसके अंदर प्लीज़ ये सब मत डालो कि दिस इज़ हाउ ISB विल हेल्प मी, या दिस इज़ वाई आई वांट टू कम टू ISB. इट्स टोटली आउट ऑफ पोजिशन. Trust me on that. I'm sorry for the rant, but I hope this video helped you. And I'll see you very soon. And all the best for the upcoming business school admission cycle.